There are essential components to the writer's workshop. Reading and writing is going to be intertwined. We want that reading and writing connection to be very strong. So we want to read as writers and write as readers. We're going to use classic and contemporary exemplar texts, and the teacher is going to be the writing leader, modeling the expectations. And we're going to use various publication sites so that students are writing for that authentic audience, for that authentic purpose.
I think the models really helped give me an idea what you were looking for structurally in our writing. I read the models and then wrote my pieces loosely based off those. I liked that we had to incorporate certain types of literary devices in our writings too. It made it easier to really grasp what they were.
Yeah, I had never had anything like ELA related, like literature and stuff like that. I had never been too good at that in school, so to see dang, Elijah did this. And to me, the poem was just an assignment, honestly. I was just, okay, I'm gonna do this, get this out the way, get my little grade, I'll tell them, it touched people's hearts and moved people emotionally to, put it out there on y'all's webpage and read it and get celebrated in classes. Pretty surreal, dang, I could write something this good that, people want to celebrate it. That was pretty cool.